1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that I'm gonna have someday. I got the Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world. Now thank you, Lord above, for shining down on me. I'm richer now than any man has any right to be. Health and love and happiness have been my cup of tea. The richest man in all creation surely envies me. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that are gonna hatch someday. I got my Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world. Now I've got water in my well, I got heaven in my heart, and I've got the perfect woman I can trust when we're apart. I got cash enough to see a show and eat out now and then. I got a room for a bed and a fishing pole, the folks that call me friend. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that are gonna hatch someday. I got the Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world. I don't have much bank account, my cash on hand is small. But tell me, what are riches but contentment after all? Other folks may say I'm poor, but I know it's not so. Because when I count my blessings, I'm the richest man I know. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that are gonna hatch someday. Got the Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world. Now the rich folks talk about the grub they eat. I've got all those rich folks meat, 'cause I've got a field of yellow yams. I got a smokehouse that's filled with country ham. Talk to me about caviar, it ain't nothing but fish eggs packed in a jar. I got a whole pond, big long trout. Fish eggs, what are they talking about? I ain't got no fancy swimming pool, but the creek in the woods is deep and cool. I'm a lucky man, a lucky fool. I'm wealthy, healthy. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that are gonna hatch someday. I got the Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world. I got a humpback mule, a plow, and potato patch eggs that are gonna hatch someday. I got the Lord above and a good girl to love me. I'm the richest man in the world.